have the other woman. Don't mess with my toot-toot. She was born in a birth suit. The doctor slapped her behind. He said you're gonna be a special, sweet little toot-toot. So don't mess with my toot-toot. Don't mess with my toot-toot. You can have the other woman. Don't mess with my toot-toot. Hey. Well, you can look as much, but if your much is touch, we're gonna have you a case. I'm gonna break your face. Don't mess with my toot-toot. Don't mess with my toot-toot. You can have the other woman, but don't mess with my toot-toot. Don't mess with my toot-toot. Don't mess with my toot-toot. You can have the other woman. Don't mess with my toot-toot. Don't mess with my toot-toot. Don't mess with my toot-toot. You can have the other woman. Don't mess with my toot-toot. Yeah.
Well, here we are at Carmine's Country Corner, being brought to you by from Bob Smith Toyota. Oh, Kim's gonna put the lights on. I forgot. It might be the other switch, if there's another one.
And everybody cut your
She'll
lights
find it.
on.
There it is. Hey, now you can see us.
Everybody at home, cut your lights on.
So I forgot my guitar strap because I'm not playing my Rosewood. It's locked away, and I didn't have time to go get it. So
Yeah.
here I am with this one, this color, this guitar. I asked Cody for a strap, and he gave me one of his. Now you can see how the guitar fits me when I use a Cody strap. But I'm going to take a minute and shorten it a little bit. There is an adjustment on it.
I was trying to help out, but I'm no help.
There you go. We got water for Geary. And hey, this week I'm really excited because we got Skip Edwards with us. And what happened there was we had JD up here a few weeks ago, and JD said, I think Skip, would maybe would like to. I said, I'd love to have Skip come up, of course. So I called him, and he said, when? I said, well, what about Sunday? He said, let's go, man. So we got, of course, Gary Swan on piano, and Skip's a great piano player and a steel player, and I don't know if he plays guitar or not, but so I said, well, bring your squeeze box thing with you. And so this could be a great addition to the band.
He's
It's
one
gonna
of
be
my
fun.
favorite keyboard
I
players.
love him. I've known Skip for many
Play
years.
keyboard with-
So Skip, thank you. I mean, you know, for not having a guest artist booked this week and having you show up, it just filled that void beautifully, believe me. So thank you. Okay, so you guys go ahead, do another one, Paul, and I'm going to adjust my strap. I'll be back, folks. 3-4, waltz. Hey, hey.
Canadian, eh?
Well, I'm just a bartender, and I don't like my work, but I don't mind the money at all. I see lots of sad faces, lots of bad cases of folks with their backs to the wall. I need four walls around me to hold my life and keep me from going astray. And a honky-tonk angel to hold me tight, keep me from slipping away. I can light up your smokes, I can laugh at your jokes, I can watch you fall down on your knees. I can close down this bar, gas up my car, I can pack up and mail in my keys. But I need four walls around me for my life, keep me from going astray. And a honky-tonk angel to hold me tight, keep me from slipping away.
I'm ready now. Now the smoke fills the air of this honky-tonk bar, and I'm thinking about where I'd rather be. But I burned all my bridges, sank all my ships, and I'm stranded at the edge of the sea. I still need four walls around me to hold keep me from slipping away. I need a honky-tonk angel to hold me tight, keep me from slipping
Paul, that was great. Paul,
Hi, Carmen.
how's the family? We missed it.
Family's
Supposed to do that
pretty good.
last song, between the last song and now, but I'm doing it now. How's everybody?
Family's good. Colleen is at Lake Tahoe.
Oh,
That's why she's not here,
you know,
because she's at Lake Tahoe. I'm here.
yeah, we're all here.
She's at Lake
Tahoe.
Tahoe.
Having she's, you know,
Having
I
some
just
fun.
drove in this morning from way up north. God, I cannot think of the name of the place. Lost something. Anyway, 350 miles.
Oh.
And we drove in. We spent the weekend there. My cousin, he's like a professional chef. He makes the great Italian food, and he does these little 5-minute shows on YouTube, and he gives recipes, and he always gets like 20, 30,000 people watch his little 5-minute shows to learn how to make his food that he makes. And one of them went viral, and it went to 98,000 hits. Yeah, like 100,000 people watch him make spaghetti or whatever he was making. I don't know, but he's a hell of a cook.
I'd like to.
Really good.
I'd like to get a taste of that.
Oh, it
sometime.
was so good. We had my cousin Phil, my first cousin from back east. Phil, we love you, and his lovely wife Patty, and the whole family are just great people. We had a wonderful time, and we'll see him next year. We do that like once a year. He does it. We go up there. All the brothers go. We have a lot of fun. Okay. Hey, last week, real quick, we had a little glitch with the computer. It came out a little distorted, and it missed the first 15 minutes of the show. And what happened in the first 15 minutes, being Memorial Day, of course we paid tribute to our troops and all the people that didn't get to come home, the ones that lost their lives trying to defend our country. And nobody saw that last week's show because it got cut off. So I'm saying it this week, and of course, our hearts go out to the families that lost loved ones, and they're great people, and that's why we get to do our music and have our fun is because of those guys, because they kept us free. So God bless America, and God bless the troops.
It's exactly the right time to wave the flag, Brandon.
That's right. Brandon's back there waving a flag while I'm talking, and he's doing the right thing. Okay, Gary Swan, keep us going here.
I'm freezing, panicking. Today I
love this song.
started loving you again. I'm right back where I've really always been. again. On Skip. Yesterday I started loving you again. I'm right back where I've really always been. I've got over you. Yes, I pulled my heart apart. And then today I started loving you again. I did it my way, just
So
like
I ran
Frank.
out of holes to adjust this strap with. It was still too long, so I put a knot in it, and it's perfect.
A knot is the
One knot is the way to go, and I'm not kidding.
Nice guitar. Where'd you get that?
I bought that at Guitar Center about 5 years ago. I walked in the Guitar Center to buy some strings and picks, you know, and this thing was sitting there with a light on it. And man, it looked so pretty that I picked it up and I went to the cash. I said, I want to buy this guitar, and it happened to be very cheap. I didn't know what it was, and when he gave me the price, I thought, you got two of them? You know. But anyway, no. So he says, I'll go get you one. I said, no, I want this one. He said, okay. And I bought it. I walked out, no case, and I just paid him. And put it in the car. Anyway, took it home.
It sounds good and it's pretty.
It doesn't sound bad.
Sounds-
And it's a pretty color. I don't know, pretty color.
Very pretty.
It matches your eyes.
Okay,
Making me hungry.
Swan. Gary, do another one.
All right, man.
Hey, and pick it up this time. A little bit.
That song makes me cry. It's a tune called "Oh Lonesome Me." Want to carry it off, Johnny Palmer? In G. Everybody's going out, having fun. I'm just a fool that's in on, having none. Can't get over out to set me free. Oh, lonesome me.
Good job, Skip. You having fun? You having fun? Absolutely. You know, that door's wide open anytime you want to walk through it. You just make the place a little brighter. You're not going to hurt us, believe me. So, Paul.
Hey.
Oh, wait. Cody, do you feel like singing this week? I'd love to have you sing.
What?
Cody kind of does what he wants. We don't bother Cody.
No,
You know,
you-
he gave me so many years of work
Yeah.
and fun down at Viva Cantina. I still feel like he's kind of my boss. You know, he would. One day I'm playing at a pool hall out in the valley. True story. Now I'm playing with my brother Tony, and Tony, you know, plays and sings, and my brother Buddy, he's playing pool. He plays bass, and we have a little band, the Saddle Brother Band. Jay Leach is over at the table, 2 tables over playing pool, and it's like 5:30, and my phone rings. Hello, it's Cody. Hey, Carmine. He says, can you get me a band by 8 o'clock at Viva Cantina tonight?
I would have said 8:07.
Well, I know, but you know, that's okay. 8:07 just as good. So I say, hang on a second, I'll let you know. I yelled at Tony. Tony, you want to do a gig? Tony, I'm up for it. Buddy, yeah, I'll play bass. Hey, Jay, you want to play some steel tonight? He yells back, yeah, what time? I said, Viva, 8 o'clock. Okay, 8 o'clock, we all did the gig. I might have called you on that gig at home and said, get down there, we're going to... But Cody was so much fun, and you still are, but you gave so many musicians in this town work, and
Almost all of them.
every one of them has played Viva Cantina.
Who'd have thought that you could find a musician at a pool hall?
And they all love and respect Cody Bryant. I know I love him, and I respect him, and I don't say that lightly. All right, Cody, what do you got?
Work and drinks.
Try a little kindness indeed.
I love that song. See, that's a good song.
If you see your brother standing by the road with a heavy load, you see she's so. And if you see your sister falling by the way, just stop and say, you're going the wrong way. And you got
what a great song, Cody. I love that one.
Who did that song?
Glenn Campbell.
Tony just
Glenn
did
Campbell.
it.
Yeah, but somebody, I think someone did it before Glenn, didn't he? Or did he have the hit on it? Was it Glenn?
I'm pretty sure.
That might have been Glenn's. Well, okay, Glenn. I was thinking on Joe South. What did Joe South do? He had that big hit. Joe South? The games people play. And the game. Let's see. You got another one?
Yeah, he.
Okay.
The band sounded so good I couldn't. This old Smoke Hill bar is something I'm not used to. I gave up my home to see you satisfied. I just stopped, stood by, cracked myself up and it ain't much, but I do welcome your side. 'Cause I've got swinging doors, a jukebox, and Carmine's Auto Band. My new home has a flashing neon sign. Stop by and see me anytime you want to. 'Cause I'm always here long till closing time. Well, I got everything I need to drive me crazy. I got everything I need to lose my mind. And this atmosphere is right for heartache. Thanks to you, I'm always here till closing time. I've got swinging doors, a jukebox, and a bar stool. My new home has a flashing neon sign. Stop by and see me anytime you want to. 'Cause I'm always here at home, closing time. Come on, sorry. That was good. That was real good. Well, let's go back to the first chord. I like that one a lot. Well, I got everything I need to drive me crazy. I got everything I need to lose my mind. And anyhow, the atmosphere is right for a holiday. And thank you, I'm always here to close the time. candy bars. My new home has a flashing neon sign. Stop by and see me anytime you want to, because I'm always here on the close time. Because I'm always here on the close time. Yeah. Let's open the dance floor, Carmine. We're ready.
Let's do it. Get rid of the flowers in the fence and we'll put dancers up there in front of the show. That'd be good. We'll get Nellie to head them off.
Yeah, exactly. There we go.
Nellie can lead them. Follow Nellie. She won't steer you wrong. She was dancing a minute ago. I noticed her over there. Kicking it up. She's a good dancer. All right, Paul. All right. How much time we got? I bet it's going by pretty fast today. We got 20 minutes? Don't worry about the key. What key we in?
Key of E,
Key B.
E, F sharp minor, and B. Them's the only 3 chords you need. Yeah.
Is the F sharp minor before the A or the B or the C?
Did I say A? I didn't mean to say A.
Pick it, Errol.
This is a song called Alligator Man. 1, Mosquitoes buzzing around my head, Spanish moss for my bed. I very seldom see dry land. I'm an alligator man. I hunt the gator all night long, take his hide and then I'm gone to see the belle Bayou Shed who loves her alligator man. Town, all the people gather round. They just want to shake the hand of this alligator man. Bayou country is my home. From this place I'll never roam. Oh, I'm the leader of the clan, known as the alligator man. use this world for fame. Fighting gators is my game, and all the scars upon my hand prove I'm an alligator man. Alligator Man, all right.
That was a good song. I think I'm gonna do one. Okay, key of G. Blue and broken hearted me, holding to a memory. If I had you, I would not be blue and broken hearted me. And I never felt so down and out, never felt so all without. Yeah. Since you've been gone, no matter what I try to be, it's blue, broken hearted me. Hit it, Skip. I can't control the way I feel, and every tear I cry is real. And since you've been gone, no matter what I try to be, it's blue and broken hearted me. Blue and broken hearted me. Holding to a memory. Now since you've been gone, no matter what I try to be, blue and broken hearted me. All right, Gary, play it. explain what I just played. But every tear I cry is real. Since you've been gone, no matter what I try to be, it's blue and broken hearted me. Broken hearted me. I'm holding to a memory, and since you've been gone, no matter what I try to be, it's blue and broken hearted. Thank you, folks. How much time we got, Kim? 10, all right. Gary, do another one, and then we'll let Paul close out tonight. Unless Cody wants to do one. It's your call. Huh?
What fiddle tune can we do?
Huh?
What fiddle tune can we do?
Anything you want to do. I never heard you do anything bad yet.
Cotton Eye Joe.
Okay, you're gonna do Cotton Eye Joe.
Cotton Eye
Keep
Joe!
moving. Deep within my heart lies the melody, a song of old San Antone. Where in dreams I live with her memory, beneath the stars all alone. I live with her, I found beside the Alamo, enchantment strange as the blue above. A moonlit path that only she would know still hears my broken song of love. Knowing in all your splendor, not only my heart, all that my roses sad and gone, lips so sweet and tender, like petals falling apart. Sweet once again of my love, my own broken song, empty words I know, still live in my heart all alone. We'll go back into Cotton Eye Joe. That moonlit path by the Alamo, and rose my rose of San Antone, Cotton Eye Joe.
What do we got now? My clock broke, so I don't know where I'm at. Oh, I can see it a little bit. Okay. Paul.
Yeah.
You want to check us out?
Sure.
Let everybody play in this a couple of times. We got about 6 minutes. All right, folks, we're coming to you from Bob Smith Toyota, and we had a great time tonight. Skip, thank you so. Come by anytime. Anytime you feel like picking, just come on up to Carmine's Country Corner. There'll be a spot for you. And Gary, great job. Thank you. See you next week, I hope. Cody, you come in and out like a breeze, and I hope you come in more often. Keep coming. We love you.
That sounds
I know
like
you
a
will,
song.
and we're honored to have you. And thank you for all your support. Paul,
Carmen.
great job. Palmer,
Thank you.
yeah, man, you're right on. Sounds good to me. We'll see you next week. Don't be late. Okay, Paul, you got it.
Yeah, you know, sometimes I watch these old country music shows, and sometimes they show the old Jimmy Dean show.
Oh,
you know.
yeah.
And Jimmy played accordion. Yeah, man, and he plays accordion on the show all the time. He's always picking with other people, and you know, and Big Bad John. Well, unfortunately, he didn't play accordion in that one, but he might have been the last, you know, front country guy to play accordion. But that's just by way of saying how great it is to have you and your accordion here.
Oh, man, added nice touch. I love it.
This is a song that Bill Monroe and Hank Williams wrote, the only song they wrote together. A lot of people say that, well, Jimmy Martin actually, who was working with Bill Monroe at the time, said, Bill didn't write it. he said Hank wrote the song. But Bill got the royalties, so that's something, right? I'm gonna go ahead and say they both wrote it. It's the only song written by Bill Monroe and Hank Williams. I'm blue, I'm lonesome too. A. A vamp in A. A 1, 2, a 1. What did I say? I said vamp in A. I gotta listen to myself more. The lonesome side of a train going by makes me want to stop and cry. I recall the day it took you away. I'm blue, I'm lonesome too. When I hear that whistle blow, I wanna pack my suitcase and go. Lonesome side of a train going by makes me wanna stop and cry. In the still of the night, in the pale moonlight, the wind it moans and cries. These lovesick blues I just can't lose. I'm blue, I'm lonesome too. When I hear that whistle blow, I wanna pack my suitcase and go. The lonesome side of a train going by makes me wanna stop and cry. right, Joe, we gotta go.